2 moles of an ideal gas is expanded adiabatically against constant external pressure of 1.5 atmosphere, by which the pressure of the gas dropped from 6 atmosphere to 1.5 atmosphere. The initial temperature of gas was 47 degrees centigrade. Calculate Q, delta U, W, delta H for the process, where CV is given 5R/2. The minute then the process is said adiabatical process, Q is equals to 0. This is already fixed. So the first point is done. So Q value is completed. Now when first law of thermodynamics is taken, delta U is equals to Q plus W. When Q is 0, we get delta U is equals to W. So whatever we get, delta U or W, both are equal to each other, which can be taken as NCV into delta T. Then delta H can be found out as NCP into delta T, where Cp is equals to Cv plus R. Simple data. All this data we have with us. If I know this data, we can easily find out the relations between each one. Let us go to the first one. Initially, it was mentioned N is equals to 2 against constant external pressure. So P external pressure, which will be taken as P external is taken as P2, which will be equals to 1.5 atmosphere. 1.5 atmosphere. Now the P1 is given as 6 atmosphere. Delta T, where T1 is given as 320 Kelvin, we need to find T2 to get delta T. These are the things. Once we get delta T, every single answer can be found. So to find this particular one, what we are using? We are using delta U is equals to W for adiabatic process. Delta U is NCV delta T is equals to minus P2 into T2 by P2 minus T1 by P1 into NR. So N gets cancelled in this. CV is given as 5 by 2R into delta T is to minus P2 into T2 by P2 minus T1 by P1 into R. Even R gets cancelled. So 5 by 2 into T2 minus T1 is equals to minus T2 plus T1 into P2 by P1. Substituting the data in this, substituting 5 by 2 into T2 minus 320 is equals to minus T2 plus 320 into P2 is given as 1.5 by 6. Solving this, we get T2 value will be equals to 251.43 Kelvin. After getting this particular one, now we have got T2 is equals to 251.43 Kelvin. We have T1 is equals to 320 Kelvin. So what we can do in this particular one is delta T is equals to T2 minus T1, 251.43 minus 320, which is equals to a negative value, which is going to be a negative value minus 68.57. Okay, we got delta T. So the first step is very simple. Delta U is equals to W is equals to NCV into delta T, which will be N we know 2 moles, CV we know 5 by 2 into R value 8 point. If I'm taking in calories, if I want to get the answer in calories, I can take R value is in 2 calories into delta T is minus 68.57. So this will be coming up to minus 6. You can see 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 5 10 685.7 calorie. Okay, now coming to delta H is equals to NCP into delta T. NCP delta T, which is N into 7 by 2 R into delta T. This is 2 into 7 by 2 into 2 calorie into delta T is 68.57, which will be equals to minus 959.98 calories. So we get the answers minus 685.7, 959.98 calories.